welcome back to another video. Please like and subscribe. Guys, let's not feed the animals and not throw anything in their cages or enclosures, because you know what? Did you know that here at Belfast Zoo, 5 penguins died after eating objects thrown in? See, there's a sign over there.
Oh yeah. Let's go!
Oo, yung tripod mo hindi mo dinala?
Hindi. May schedule ka na? Ito yung laki na ano.
Mag-emergency na lang. Hindi pa tayo dito.
Buhay.
The hedgehogs aren't here because they are nocturnal, which means they're active at night. And it says here, if you can't see me, I will be sleeping in my hedgehog house.
Ah, nandun siya, tulog yun.
Sonic! It's Sonic the Hedgehog.
Yung cute nila. Mag-breakfast.
Broccoli. Broccoli pala kinakain ito. Mga dagang kof pa yan eh. Lumaki.
Oh, look at that.
Saudi, lakas kumain ng mga harap ko.
Oh, look at them. They're so cute.
Ganyan na ganyan yung, kita mo yung dilaw mo? Ganyan na ganyan ang dilaw yung summer ko. Pag itim sa lahat, pero kung mukha nila, hindi ko na.
Hey, that's
Malaki yun.
oh, that's wow. Hey, that's I got him. Ah, he got food. Guys, did you know that flamingos can stand on one leg for more than 4 hours? Yes.
Where did you learn that, Jakes?
Nothing. I just saw a sign that says.
Ikaw, what can you say, kuya?
Ikaw, what did you learn?
Sarap daw yung sausage roll.
Malambo talaga. Field trip na field trip siya.
Ang liit.
Ano, flamingo?
Oo. Ang liit lang.
Ganda ng kulay, oh.
Some churros.
Tapos pag binuka nila, nagiging pula yung underarm nila.
Sana bububo ka.
Nagbuka na konti yung to.
Oh, yun, expanding in one leg siya, oh.
Parang gymnast lang. Pahingan ko. Yun yung pahingan na yung isang mo. Ay, umihina ko. Ala, umihi!
Ay, umihi!
Umihi!
Nag-toilet! Oh,
Toilet.
toilet break. Ah, yun, malapit sa atin, oh. Ito, Jake, ayun, oh.
His butt.
Papunta na siya dito, Jake. Ayun na yung ano dito.
Yun, Jake, malapit, oh.
Haba ng mga kamay, no?
Oh, ayan, oh. Dami nila, oh.
Ang what? Kinamot ang what?
Ang what daw?
Kinamot ang what?
Ang patotoy.
Ew. Tae.
That's
They're fine. Timon from the Lion King.
Really?
He's a meerkat. It's Timon from the Lion King.
Oo, si Timon.
Ang galing ni JK.
Si Pumba nasa taas. Ito si Timon.
From the Lion King.
Ayun na, natutulog yun.
Ano paniki ang tsura eh.
Ay, tumatalon! Cotton Tamarine.
Lemurs, prime easy.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, fila sa chimpanzee. Kose, fila chimpanzee. Koche, fila pindanzi. Oily hands. How many seconds was that?
Again.
1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 seconds.
Pupunta sila doon sa mataas, tapos tatalon na.
Server mo daw request. Pwede ba mag-request?
May cottage pa sila oh.
Ito. Kaya mo, nandito sila. Parang ganito yung sa Pinas na.
They also have shade.
Wait.
Ay, what is that?
Tihaya.
Baliktad siya, no?
Ano yan? Backstroke?
Look, there are sleeping ones. There are ones that are sleeping.
Yeah. Ready?
Wait. Okay, wait.
Kaya pala mahaba yung leeg.
Vicwina.
Aston Cotton. Ayos, podcast. Toto, prata ka.
Jake, look at the lion.
Ari, kayo prata kayo, mali.
You gotta eat those.
Ayun, may turtle pa oh.
Kasama siyang turtle.
Yeah.
Aba yun.
Ang gusto niya.
Penguin daw.
What did you get, Hannah?
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I really enjoyed the zoo. I saw capybaras, birds, and even lions. Now thanks for watching, and and don't forget to like and subscribe and smash that bell and comment down below. Bye. Good penguin.
Bye.